highlight about yourself?
My name is kachangthai Gonmei from Tupul Namdonjeng of Nonhe district, and right now I'm standing here on the spot of the first tribal film festival, and I'm the founder of this Hornbill Entertainment.
Okay, sir. So when you first started this first tribal film festival, did you have any hindrance?
Actually, our tribal peoples are talented, but they don't have they don't have platform to showcase the hidden talent. So I thought of I'm dreaming. This is my dream project actually, and actually Sir Armstrong Kwame, who is director of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Philippines, and he helped me a lot to and behind the success of this film festival. So we brought this festival.
Okay, sir. Good to know that. I would like to ask, sir, that as a film actor, what inspires you to make more movies?
As an actor, say actor is not a duplicate. The actor who act is true emotional. Okay, when he act, he have to realize that he's the real person on the screen and off the screen too.
I believe that he is one of the most recognized actor in our community, in our Rongmei community. Sir, do you have any upcoming movies coming forward?
Yeah, I'm planning right now. I don't have, but I'm planning to make about Hippos Adonang and Hyperani, and one of the most romantic film that is Rongmei and Gullian. So I'm planning for this.
Okay, sir. So, what's the next step after this tribal film festival?
After this, if the government continue to sponsor this for the festival, we can do next step. That means next year also we can do. And this is very important because this will definitely uplift and promote the tribal film fraternity, and it will be more added, and it will be how to say